Hey guys, it's Sam from Tentworld Ferntree Gully, and today I'll be showing you the Highline Rugged Outdoor Blanket by Teton Sports. This is a really great camp blanket if you want like an extra layer, but where this product really shines is as a camping or picnic rug. The Highline camp blanket measures 178 centimeters by 140 centimeters, only weighs about 850 grams, so it's a great thing to just chuck in the back of your car and use for a variety of different reasons. It makes a great camp blanket for one person or a rug for two people. So the blanket is made with a polyester shell, so it's nice and lightweight, super durable. And then on the inside you've got a heavy duty liner which has a waterproof coating. So it makes it perfect for things like camping, festivals, going to the beach, that sort of thing. To keep you warm, it's filled with a single channel hollow fibre insulation, and it's arranged in this diagonal pattern here, which not only looks good, but it helps keep all that insulation in place rather than bunching up in various spots on the blanket. So on the corners here, you've got these little tie down toggle points, which you can use to peg down the blanket and stop it from blowing away in the wind. To store the blanket, you'll be given a little stuff sack like this. When it's all packed away, it's going to measure about 35 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So it's a really nice compact thing to just chuck in the back of your car, or even just leave it in your boot ready for whenever you need it. The Highline camp blanket comes in a variety of colours, so you can keep warm and relax in style. So if you're interested in this versatile camp blanket, head on down to your local Tentworld store or visit us online and pick one of these up. And as always, happy camping.